Let's go to Genesis chapter 1, verse 26. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, in our likeness." In other churches, they insist there is only one God who created mankind. But here, God is referred to as us. The word us is used as a plural expression. Therefore, doesn't this mean that God who created mankind is not singular? God said, "Let us make man." This verse is expressed in the same way across every language the Bible is written in. Even in the Hebrew Bible, which is regarded as the original Bible, God is described not in a singular form, but in a plural form as Elohim. Verse 27. So God created man in His own image. In the image of God, He created him. Male and female, He created them. Male and female were created in the image of God who said, us. Males were created in the male image of God, and females were created in the female image of God. We call God, who has a male image, God the Father. Then, what should we call the female image of God? God the Mother. That is why it says in Galatians chapter 4, verse 26, "But the Jerusalem that is above is free, and she is our mother." It also says, "Therefore, brothers, we are not children of the slave woman, but of whose children are we? We are children of the free woman." Through these verses, we can clearly see who else is there besides God the Father. We must believe that God the Mother too exists. This is God's will, which is testified by all the prophets throughout the Bible. We must never forget that God let us know that there is God the Mother as well as God the Father. Who will God surely acknowledge as the children of promise? The grace of being acknowledged as the children of promise will be given to those who have faith in God the Mother. Isn't it revealed to us at the end of the Bible as well? Let's take a look at Revelation chapter 22, verse 17. The Spirit and the bride say, as you know very well, the Spirit represents the male image of God, that is, God the Father. The bride of our Father is our mother. God the Father and God the Mother say, "Come," and let him who hears say, "Come." Whoever is thirsty, let him come, and whoever wishes, let him take the free gift of the water of life. Only God the Father and God the Mother govern the matter of life. And no one but God can give mankind the free gift of the water of life. However, when we look at the last chapter of the book of Revelation, which is at the end of the 66 books of the Bible, who will appear? It is said that mankind must come to the Spirit and the bride, that is, God the Father and God the Mother. The Spirit and the bride clearly proclaimed that if mankind truly wants to go to the kingdom of heaven, they must have faith in God the Mother. Thank you very much.